Hello there! This is a video tutorial for the Afterthought pocket as found in the Garti Cardi knitting pattern. Using our tape measure, we are going to measure 7.5 inches, that is 18.5 centimeters, from the start of your hemline up the body. Now, working from the first garter stitch adjacent to the collar edge and using your small needles, pick up the required number of stitches. Having done that, using the smaller needles, now we are going to take our set of large needles and pick up the same number of stitches from the collar, moving from the collar edge into the garment, using one garter bump above the previous picked up stitches. Okay, now pay attention in this part. You want to find those garter bumps in between the cords and snip the top side bump. See how that bump looks closer to the topmost cord? That's the one you want to snip. Now use an extra knitting needle and unravel that line of stitches. Work to the left and to the right until that entire line of stitches is unraveled. Here's what your pocket opening will look like after you've unraveled your stitches. You can now continue working your pocket as described in the pattern. Hopefully, when you're finished, your completed pocket will look something like this. Enjoy!